I got a question for you.
Huh?
Who's coming on Saturday night?
Tissue Bunny!
Oh yeah, and what kind of stuff is he gonna bring?
Dialogue!
What else?
And Echoes!
Oh yeah, and what else?
And Hydro
How about like chocolates and stuff?
Pocket.
Have you been a good boy?
Uh-huh.
Guess what? I love you.
I love you.
You think Coco and Bro are gonna get some chocolates and stuff?
No.
Yeah. Only good boys get that stuff.
Oh, boy?
Well, you have fun coloring your eggs, okay?
Okay.
I love you.
I love you.
I love you.
I even love Coco and Bro too.
That's the funny thing.
Aye.